Hi everyone, I'm Nick, one of the certified technicians here at Midland Honda, and today behind me we have this 2020 Subaru Legacy, stock number 24-208A. So this vehicle did successfully pass the safety inspection, just meaning that it's all safe and sound to be on the road. So we're just going to give everyone a quick overview of the overall condition, as well as explain some of the work that was performed. Starting off with the tires, we went ahead and installed some brand new Uniroyal all-season tires. So as I mentioned, brand new, 100% of their tread life. Moving on to the brakes, we went ahead and performed a four-wheel brake service on this vehicle. So that just means that we took everything apart, cleaned it all up, lubricated, and put it back together. The front brakes measured out to about 60% of their pad life remaining. And here there is, just as I mentioned, we went ahead and serviced them. The rear brakes measured out to about 50% of their pad life remaining. Underneath, we made sure that there was no fluid leaks. We also made sure that the exhaust, steering, and suspension components were all nice and tight. So here's just a quick little underview of the vehicle for everyone. Up top, we made sure to top up all of the fluid levels. We also went ahead and performed an engine oil filter change on this vehicle. So just like thank everyone for coming out to check out the Subaru Legacy. Again, my name is Nick, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and I hope you have a great day.